Are you looking for a new PC case that provides the best possible airflow to keep your components cool and working properly? You don't need to go anymore because we have listed the top PC cases for ventilation for 2024.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Corsair 5000D PC case. Among the 2024 PC case portfolio, the Corsair 5000D distinguishes out for its outstanding airflow and cooling efficiency. 3 of the innovative air guide fans, which are placed strategically to better guide airflow across the system's heat-intensive components, are included with this model. The 5000D has ample room and versatility for several 360mm radiators, making it even easier to design a visually spectacular, showpiece-worthy PC and keep cool. Massive airflow is delivered to your system for optimum cooling through a steel front panel with high airflow optimization. It comes with 2 Corsair 120mm air guide fans, which focus airflow and improve cooling by using anti-vortex vanes. The case's capacity to promote unimpeded airflow throughout the internal components, reducing the chance of overheating even during extended use, highlights the importance of cooling even more. On number 2, we have Antec C8 cases. For enthusiasts who want a chassis that deviates from the norm in addition to superior airflow, the Antec C8 stands out as a fantastic option. Its experimental open-frame and mesh front panel design shows Antec's dedication to providing excellent cooling efficiency. This architecture significantly reduces the likelihood of thermal throttling and improves overall performance by ensuring a constant stream of airflows straight over your PC's most heat-sensitive components. The C8 is distinguished by its seamless side panels and full-view layout, which support E80X motherboards. With this unobstructed view of your hardware, the 4mm non-drilled steel-tempered glass makes a gorgeous display for your parts. Because it is made of 0.8mm high-strength steel, its structural integrity is guaranteed over time. Antec C8's dedication to unhindered airflow and compatibility with both liquid and air cooling systems make it an indispensable tool for anyone who takes their PC's temperature maintenance seriously. On number 3, we have Corsair AQ 4000X. The Corsair icue 4000X stands as a beacon for those who demand both aesthetics and peak cooling performance in their PC build. This mid-tower case features a refined design with a front panel that cleverly combines solid construction with ventilated sections, promoting an efficient air intake without sacrificing its sophisticated appearance. Contains 3 Corsair 120mm air guide RGB fans, which focus airflow and improve cooling by using anti-vortex vanes. 8 separately manageable RGB LEDs are installed in each fan to provide gorgeous, programmable lighting. The icue lighting node core and Corsair AQ software that come with the kit allow you to fully control and synchronize the RGB lighting for up to 6 fans. The Corsair AQ 4000X's thoughtful design details, from its cable management system to its versatile cooling options, underscore its commitment to combining form with function, securing its place among the top choices for best PC cases for airflow in 2024. On number 4, we have Deepcool CH560. When it comes to PC builds, the Deepcool CH560 stands out as a great choice for individuals who value efficient temperature control. This case's design strikes a mix between function and visual appeal. A newly built mid-tower ATX, the CH560 has an optimized airflow channel as its primary focus. Together with the pre-installed 120mm PWM-enabled ARGB exhaust fan, which is also compatible with 140mm fans, 3 pre-installed 140mm PWM-enabled ARGB fans are set up in front of the main compartment to create an effective cooling system. In addition to offering a stylish environment that flawlessly reveals the inner ARGB structure, the PC case ATX boasts a unique hybrid mesh/tempered side panel design to increase outstanding airflow from all sides of the case throughout the entire chassis for superior cooling performance. In addition, the internal layout of the CH560 has been carefully planned to facilitate simple component installation while optimizing airflow routes. This guarantees that the case's cooling efficiency won't be harmed when users update or change their configurations. So these are some of the best PC cases to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.